I'm here with Daniel of Retract Pool Enclosures. Daniel, tell us what you do, what the company's about, and what brought you here today.
So the product sells itself. The product is a pool enclosure that's retractable. So you can use your swimming pool for 12 months a year. You put in a pool, you generally can only use the pool
During the warm season.
during the warm season.
June, July, August.
Yeah, a little bit of May, a little bit of September. Rain days you lose, the 9 days, Shabbosim. Here, you put in a pool enclosure, you can use your pool now for 12 months a year. During the snow, rain, wind, whatever it is, you slide it over. I'm gonna show you how it works. So it just slides. So during the winter, it's over your pool the entire day. During the summer, you just slide it all the way back, just like that. And it folds up all the way to a 7-foot section. It comes in 7-foot sections. So if your pool is 40 feet long, you get a 49-foot enclosure. You extend the tracks 10 feet past your pool and you slide it off the end of the pool. So you'll have 7 feet in front, 10 feet in front, and then you slide it all the way back and you're able, it starts raining, you just have to slide it over your pool.
What happens if someone's lazy and they don't want to pull it?
We can put in a motor. If that's something that you want, we can put in a motor. We can do custom sizes. You can do tall, short. I recommend not to do it. It's very, very easy to slide. You're able to slide it with one person. It's easier to slide it with two if you're expanding 30 feet wide. And then there's different types of polycarbonate, different colors you can get.
So this isn't glass?
It's not glass, it's polycarbonate. It's 200 times stronger than glass. We give a 10-year warranty on the polycarbonate, 10-year warranty on the aluminum. And it's able to retain 25 pounds per square foot of snow, which is about 5 feet of snow. It's able to retain winds up to 150 mile an hour gust of winds. We don't get more than 85 mile an hour winds.
Hopefully, not even that.
Yeah, that's during Sandy. There's lock-in pins that lock into the tracks. If you call me before you put in a pool, we can recess the tracks into the concrete so it's flush with the concrete. Otherwise, it's about a half an inch above the ground. And then we can add on. This is a lift-up gate. If you don't have the space to push it past your pool and you want to swim underneath, or if you have a lifted coping around your pool, we can put in a lift-up gate so it can slide right over. We can put in side doors, front regular doors. On the other side, you can see there's front regular doors. We can frost it for you.
Now, how secure is this, I'm saying, as far as keeping out the cold?
It's a good question. During the winter, if your pool is on 80 degrees, in the enclosure, it'll be 85 degrees because it retains the heat. It has a greenhouse effect. If the sun is out, the sun beats down, this retains the heat, it brings in the sunlight, and it stays inside. Heat evaporates, right? Heat rises and the water evaporates into the air, so you're gonna have condensation. If you have an electric cover, that will reduce your condensation. If you have too much condensation, you just slide open a section, let the condensation out, or you can put in, and you close it right back up. It's this easy. Just slide it open to drop, slide it closed. Or you can put in a dehumidifier that will suck out all the moisture in the air and put it back into the pool.
Now, who's your target market? You after builders? You after anybody that has a pool?
Anybody that has a pool, anybody planning on building a pool. We deal with homeowners, we deal with contractors, we deal with pool builders. They recommend us, we recommend them. A lot of people call me first and they ask me, what size pool should I do? I don't want to pay an exorbitant amount for my pool enclosure. I know I want to get a pool enclosure. I guide you what not to do, meaning don't put it in a slide over here. If it's a ladder, put the ladder on the ends, and how to cement it in, and then you can also recess the tracks into the concrete.
Now, you have ever been at an OJBA Expo before?
I've been at the other OJBA show, Baruch Hashem, we were Matzliach. We said, that's it, sign me up. We're here, we're ready to go, and we're going to be signed up going forward.
So how many contacts have you made here?
We've been busy. It's not a very popular item, so people are fascinated by the idea. It's a new product. I'm in business for about 5 years. It's something that catches the eye, so we've been busy.
And it looks sleek, it's not bulky and clunky.
Yeah.
Daniel, Amen,
thank you.
Thanks for your time.